Did you know your system leaks your identity even before you start hacking? Your IP address, MAC address, DNS request, browser fingerprint, all of this is already exposing who you are. For ethical hackers, anonymity is not optional. It's a part of operational security. Welcome back to the BlackHat Path. This video is for educational purposes only. We do not promote and support any illegal activities. Today, we are looking at a Linux framework called WHOAMI. WHOAMI is an operational security and anonymity tool used by cybersecurity professionals to reduce their digital footprints and harden their systems. It does not make you invisible, but it will help you to control what your system reveals about you. Okay, so let's go to our browser and search for who am I GitHub. We'll open this link and we'll copy the code from here. Then we'll open our terminal and type git clone and just paste the link. And this is showing me an error that I have already installed this and this already exists in my system. So you can just install this from this command. After installing this, type ls. You can see that WHOAMI project will come on your desktop. Then we'll write cd WHOAMI project to move into the folder. Type ls to check what's in the folder. As we have opened the root terminal, so we will write make install. This will install WHOAMI in your system. Let me zoom in for you. Now write kali-whoami --start. This will start WHOAMI in your terminal. So this will be providing you some of these features. First is anti-MITM, which is man in the middle. This feature will enable protection against suspicious network behaviors and will try to prevent ARP spoofing, DNS poisoning, etc. Second is log killer. This feature will clear system logs and disable or limits the future logging. This will reduce local traces on your machine. It is useful for privacy and live environments. Third is IP changer. It will route your traffic through Tor, VPN, and proxy chains, so websites can see a different IP, not your real one. Fourth is DNS changer. This will encrypt your DNS using Tor and privacy-focused resolvers, so your internet service provider can't easily see you browsing. Fifth is MAC changer. It is used to identify devices on Wi-Fi and track devices in public networks. This will randomize your MAC addresses, so every time your device looks like a new device. Next is time zone changer. This will set a fake time zone. This helps in reducing fingerprint accuracy and makes correlation harder. Seventh is host name changer. This will change the host name to a random value. This hides personal system identity. Next is browser anonymization. This will harden the browser by blocking trackers, reducing fingerprint uniqueness, modifying user agents. Next is anti-cold boot. In cold boot attacks, attackers physically access your machine, restarts it, and extracts data from RAM. So, WHOAMI will enable memory protection and will clear sensitive data from the RAM to keep your data safe. Okay, so now let me tell you about how to use these features. You just have to select which feature you want to use. Like I'm changing the IP first. So I'll write 3 and press enter. And we'll write Kali dash WHOAMI dash status. Here you can see that the IP changer is enabled. We can also check the IP by visiting to DNS leak test. We'll open the browser type DNS leak test, and here you can see that our IP is changed successfully. So this is how you can use these features. To stop this, you can just write Kali dash who am I dash dash stop. This will stop the feature. Again, if you want to choose other features, you can write Kali dash who am I dash dash start, and the same process again. Even if you enable all features in WHOAMI, you are not magically safe from hackers. WHOAMI is not a shield, it's a privacy and operational security tool. It will help you hide your digital footprints, but it does not secure your system. Real security doesn't come from tools, it comes from your knowledge, your habits, and your discipline. Because in cybersecurity, anonymity hides who you are and security protects what you have. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay sharp. This is the BlackHat Path.